In today's video, we are going to show you how to invest on Polymarket. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Polymarket, I want you to click the sign up button so that you can create your account here. Polymarket is a prediction market platform where users bet on the outcome of real-world events. Now, instead of stocks, you are buying shares of outcomes. For example, if you believe that Trump will say this around these dates, you can simply click the yes or no. If your prediction is correct, you profit. If not, you lose your stake. Now, for us to be able to invest here in Polymarket, all I have to do is go to the deposit. You have 4 options to deposit. Number 1 is going to be the transfer crypto, which is instant. It doesn't have any limit. Now, if you want to deposit using your card, there is like a $50,000 limit. It takes around 5 minutes. And if you want to connect an exchange, it doesn't have any limit. And it has only a 2-minute processing time. But if you want to deposit with PayPal, you can do so. It has a 10,000 US dollars limit and the processing time is 5 minutes. Say for example, you want to deposit with your card. You can do so. Choose the currency. Let's say if you wanted to put in a specific amount. Okay, so let's say I'm going to put in an amount here. Choose the provider, which is normally is going to be handled by MoonPay. Click the continue button. Now the balance or the funds will be deposited to your funds here. Now, once you have enough funds, you can simply go to these categories. For example, sports. Go to, let's say, NBA, and you can invest and deposit to a specific game that you wanted. And basically, that's it for today's video. If you found it helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and we will see you again in the next video.